Listen up, food lovers. Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also boosts your health? We're about to unlock a world of flavor that's not just delicious but incredibly good for you. Imagine every meal being a delightful experience that also nurtures your body. We're talking about the power of spices, those tiny flavor bombs that can transform your meals and your health. These little wonders have been cherished for centuries, and it's time we rediscover their magic. Get ready to fire up your digestion and feel the difference. Imagine feeling light, energetic, and vibrant after every meal. A healthy gut is the cornerstone of overall well-being. It's not just about avoiding discomfort, it's about thriving and feeling your best every day. It's where we break down food, absorb nutrients, and build a strong immune system. A well-functioning digestive system is crucial for maintaining energy levels, mental clarity, and a robust immune response. But sometimes our modern lifestyles can throw our digestion out of whack. Stress, processed foods, and irregular eating habits can all take a toll on our digestive health. That's where the magic of spices comes in. These natural wonders can help restore balance and harmony to our digestive systems. For centuries, cultures around the world have used spices not just for their taste, but also for their incredible medicinal properties. From ancient Ayurvedic practices to modern culinary arts, spices have always played a vital role. Spices like fennel, cumin, and ginger are like little digestive superheroes, ready to swoop in and save the day. They can help reduce bloating, improve nutrient absorption, and even boost metabolism. So are you ready to ditch the digestive woes and embrace a world of flavor and well-being? Let's get spicy. By incorporating these powerful spices into your daily meals, you can transform not just your dishes, but your overall health. Let's embark on this flavorful journey together and ignite your digestive fire. Don't forget to subscribe to the Green channel for more interesting facts and tips on living a healthier, happier life. Stay tuned and stay healthy.
Let's talk about fennel, the licorice-like spice that has been cherished for its medicinal properties for centuries. Fennel has a rich history, being used in traditional medicine across various cultures to soothe stomach ailments and improve digestion. Fennel seeds are like little digestive powerhouses, packed with essential oils and compounds that can help relax those gut muscles and get things moving smoothly. Bloating getting you down? Fennel can help. Its natural carminative properties make it effective in reducing gas and bloating, providing relief and comfort. It's known to reduce gas and bloating, making you feel lighter and more comfortable after meals. Imagine enjoying your favorite foods without the worry of discomfort later. And if you're prone to indigestion, fennel can be your new best friend. Its soothing properties can help ease the digestive process, making meals more enjoyable. But wait, there's more. Fennel is also a good source of fiber, which is essential for keeping things regular. Fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your digestive health, fennel is a great place to start. Incorporate it into your diet by adding fennel seeds to your dishes, brewing fennel tea, or even enjoying fresh fennel bulbs in salads. With its myriad of benefits, fennel is not just a spice, but a holistic approach to better digestive health. Give it a try and experience the difference it can make in your daily life.
Now, let's get practical. How can you actually incorporate fennel into your daily routine? It's easier than you think. Roasting vegetables? Toss them with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of fennel seeds for an earthy, aromatic side dish. Fennel also pairs beautifully with fish, chicken, and even pork. Want a soothing after-dinner drink? Try brewing a cup of fennel tea. Simply steep a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy. It's a delicious and calming way to end your meal.
Next up, we have cumin, the warm and earthy spice that's a staple in cuisines around the world. Cumin is not just about flavor, it's a digestive superstar. This spice is known for its ability to stimulate digestion and reduce inflammation in the gut. It can help your body break down food more efficiently, preventing that heavy, sluggish feeling after meals. Cumin is also a good source of iron, which is essential for healthy blood flow and energy levels. So, if you're feeling tired and run down, a little cumin might be just what you need.
Section 5. Cumin in the kitchen, adding depth and digestive delight. Ready to unleash the power of cumin in your kitchen? This versatile spice works wonders in countless dishes. From hearty stews and chilies to flavorful curries and rice dishes, Cumin adds depth and complexity to your cooking. It's also a key ingredient in many spice blends like chili powder and garam masala. Try toasting cumin seeds in a dry pan before grinding them to release their full aroma and flavor. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes.
Section 6. Ginger, the warming spice that soothes and stimulates. Let's move on to ginger, the spicy, zesty root that's been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. Ginger is a true digestive all-rounder, known for both its soothing and stimulating effects. Feeling nauseous? Ginger can help. It's a natural antiemetic, meaning it can help reduce nausea and vomiting. It's also great for motion sickness and morning sickness during pregnancy. But ginger doesn't stop there. It can also help reduce inflammation in the gut, easing symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and even irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS.
Section 7. Ginger's versatility, from stir-fries to digestive tonics. Ginger is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Its pungent, slightly sweet flavor adds a delicious kick to both sweet and savory dishes. Add grated ginger to stir-fries, soups, and curries for a warming, aromatic boost. It also pairs beautifully with fish, chicken, and even desserts like gingerbread and pumpkin pie. For a soothing digestive tonic, try making ginger tea. Simply simmer a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon and a touch of honey for sweetness.
Section 8. Beyond the Big Three, exploring other digestive spices. While fennel, cumin, and ginger are often celebrated for their digestive benefits, there's a whole world of other spices that can also work wonders for your gut health. These three are indeed digestive powerhouses, but let's not overlook the myriad of other spices that can also contribute to a healthy digestive system. Each spice brings its own unique set of benefits and flavors to the table. Let's dive deeper and explore a few more spices that can aid in digestion and overall gut health. First up, we have turmeric. This golden spice is not just for curries. It contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help soothe the digestive tract, reduce symptoms of bloating, and even improve gut flora. Next, coriander. Coriander seeds are known to help reduce bloating and gas, making them a great addition to your diet. The fresh leaves, often referred to as cilantro, add a fresh citrusy flavor to dishes and can also aid in digestion. Then there's cardamom. This warming spice is not only aromatic, but also helps stimulate digestion and reduce nausea. It's often used in both sweet and savory dishes, making it a versatile addition to your spice rack. Lastly, cinnamon. While it's well known for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels, cinnamon can also help reduce gas and bloating. Its sweet and warming flavor makes it a popular choice for both desserts and savory dishes. So, next time you're in the kitchen, consider incorporating these spices to not only enhance the flavor of your meals, but also to support your digestive health.
Section 9. Spice up your life. Practical tips for daily incorporation. Ready to make these digestive superheroes a regular part of your diet? Here are some practical tips. Start small. If you're new to using spices, start with small amounts and gradually increase as your taste buds adjust. Experiment with flavors. Don't be afraid to try different spice combinations to find what you enjoy most. Make it a habit. Try incorporating spices into your cooking every day, even if it's just a pinch of cumin in your scrambled eggs or a sprinkle of fennel seeds on your salad.
Section 10. Listen to your gut. Finding the right spice balance. While spices offer incredible benefits, it's important to listen to your body and find the right balance for you. Some spices, especially in large amounts, can irritate the digestive tract in some individuals. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding new spices to your diet. Remember, everyone's gut is different. What works wonders for one person might not work for another.
Section 11. A world of flavor awaits, embracing the digestive dance. So there you have it. We've explored the incredible world of spices and their power to transform your digestion and your health. From the soothing embrace of fennel to the warming kick of ginger, these culinary treasures are ready to ignite your taste buds and support your overall well-being. Embrace the art of cooking with spices. Experiment, explore, and find your own digestive dance. Your gut and your taste buds will thank you.